At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a newsletter business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Identify your niche. Determine the focus of your newsletter. What topics are you passionate about? What knowledge or expertise can you offer that would be valuable to subscribers? Choose a niche that you're knowledgeable and enthusiastic about. 2. Define your audience. Understand who your target audience is. What demographic do you want to reach? What are their interests and pain points? Tailor your content to resonate with this audience. 3. Create compelling content. Develop high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your subscribers. This could include news updates, analysis, how-to guides, interviews, or curated content. Make sure your content is well-researched, informative, and relevant to your niche. 4. Choose a platform. Decide on the platform you'll use to create and distribute your newsletter. There are several platforms available, such as Substack, MailChimp, or ConvertKit, each with its own features and pricing plans. Choose one that suits your needs and budget. 5. Build your email list. Start building your email list by promoting your newsletter through your website, social media channels, guest blogging, or networking. Offer incentives such as exclusive content or discounts to encourage people to subscribe. 6. Monetization strategy. Decide how you'll monetize your newsletter. This could include offering subscriptions, selling advertising space, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Choose a monetization strategy that aligns with your goals and audience. 7. Create a marketing plan. Develop a marketing plan to promote your newsletter and attract subscribers. This could involve creating a content calendar, leveraging social media, running ads, collaborating with influencers, or attending industry events. 8. Set up analytics. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your newsletter, including open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. Analyzing this data will help you understand what content resonates with your audience and how you can improve engagement. 9. Engage with your subscribers. Cultivate a relationship with your subscribers by engaging with them regularly. Encourage feedback, respond to comments and questions, and personalize your communications to make subscribers feel valued. 10. Iterate and improve. Continuously evaluate and refine your newsletter based on feedback and performance metrics. Experiment with different content formats, distribution strategies, and monetization methods to optimize your business. Starting a newsletter business requires dedication, persistence, and a commitment to providing value to your subscribers. By following these steps and staying focused on your goals, you can build a successful newsletter business over time. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.